Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
So let
Good
us
morning, sir.
morning. So let us see that is the we have seen the law in the previous classes the examples of the kinematics we have started and also we do that is the manometer. So some more examples today we will consider for the kinematics such as the streamline, path line and a streak line. Here I am going to load the question. Let us see first. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2.14. 2.14. Please see the question. You have downloaded such type of the books or not?
Downloaded, sir.
Okay, see. So problem number 2.14 beginning with the velocity field of the problem. So problem that is the given that is the 2 that is the 5. So 2.5 is nothing but the v equal to the axi minus byj. Just see the equations of the velocity vector. So see here v equal to the axi minus by minus that is the here b aj b axi minus ayj, and you should take that is the a, you should take a equal to 1 per second. Please write down b equal to the axi minus ayj and a equal to the 1. So that the parametric equation for the particle motion are given xp. So particle motions are given that is the xp is c1 e to power 80 and y equal to the yp equal y that is the yp equal to the c that is the 2 e to power minus 80 e to the power minus 80 not 280 e to power minus 80 ठीक है yp equal to the c2 e to power minus 80. Are you writing or not writing? xp equal to the c1 e to power 80 yp equal to the c2 e to power minus 80, and that is the given a equal to the 1 per second. Obtain the equations for the path line of the particle located at the point 1 2 not 2 2, located at the point x comma y equal to 1 2 at the instant t equal to 0. T equal to 0. Compare this path line with the streamline through the same point. Compare this path line with the streamline through the same point. So question is velocity vector is given v equal to the axi minus ayj. A is 1 per second and xp that is the parametric equations are given for the particle along x position and y position is C1 e to power 80, yp equal to the C2 e to power minus 80. Obtain the equation for the path line of the particle located at the point xy equal to 2 2 at the instant t equal to 0, and compare the path line with the streamline through the same point. So velocity field is given axi minus byj or axi minus ayj. Is it correct? In old edition, that is the mention AB, and AB is also that is the one. And in the new edition, that is given capital A. That is the matter is same. So velocity field V is given axi minus ayj. Velocity component, that is the u is ax, v is minus ay or by, like that. So velocity of the particle. So velocity of the particle, that is the UP. Velocity of the particle, that is the UP, is dx by dt, and x is given. And so see, and
Sir,
UP is also given. Velocity particle along the x-axis is given, that is the ax. Yes, tell me. Bolo.
are you sharing any screen?
Yes,
नहीं दिख
bolo.
रहा सर.
Yes,
So
tell
screen
me.
is not.
Oh, a screen. Just see. I have not shared the screen. First, just I am saying something. Then I will share with you, no doubt. But first, you just try to solve yourself. Attempt. Just I am just. That's why I am telling. Just I have not shared the screen. Don't worry. So see, first focus, that is the solution. I am telling. So let us see. I am sharing the solution. Just wait. Just wait. It is better. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
See. First, clarify about the question. C. V equal to the xi minus byj. A, B is 1. In the new edition, it is written capital AXI minus capital AYJ, and A is 1. That's all. Second thing, that is the mention is here, the location of the particle 1, 2. In that latest book, it is mentioned 2, 2. Method is the same. Either it is the 2, 2 or 1, 2, doesn't matter. So see, first we have to learn it. So see, V, that is the Vx. Let us suppose here axi minus byj. So this is the velocity vector is mentioned. Means it having two components, ui plus vj. ui, that is the, so u equal to ax and v equal to the minus by or ay. Is it correct? Is it correct or not? And see, this velocity along x-axis or y-axis of the particle is nothing but the dxy dt and dyy dt. And u, that is the ax, or v is minus by. So integrate it. Dx y x equal to the a, that is the constant at, dyy equal to the minus b dt. So that will come out integration 1, that is the this equation will come out ln x equal to the ax plus some constant ln c1 plus ln y equal to the minus bt plus ln c2. Or you can say that xyc1 equal to the e to power at and yyc2 equal to the e to power minus bt. And x equal to the constant e to power at, y equal to the c2 e to power minus b. Is it correct? So that particle motion is described by the this equal to, so this then the equation for the path line. So the equation for the path line, we have to eliminate, that is the time factor from the given equations for the x and y. So see, and here x equal to the c1 e to power at, y equal to the c2 e to power minus bt, or ln xy, this what we did in previous. So we have to eliminate the t. So t equal to, that is the 1y ln xy c1 t equal to the minus, and compare these two. And this will come out, that is the y into, that is the xy c1. See, take the care. bya the power equal to the c2, and it is the mention, that is the t equal to 0 and x path line passing through the 1 to x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So a equal to b and c1 equal to 1, c2. Let us suppose we can take, that is the 2, 2, then c1 is 2, c1 is 2 and c2 is also 2. Then something, that is the change in the relation maybe in AB. So this will give you the particles path line XY. Are you listening or not listening?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Huh. And take the screenshot also same time. So this is the your XY equal, because this is the path line problem, then we should go also, that is the streamline, a streak line, one by one. So particles that trace, that is the path equal to the xy equal to 2. And then that is the C part. Compare the path line with the streamline. A streamline we have already, that is the discussed. This is the for, so del y v equal to the del xy the u, and v and u is mentioned, that is the, and dy by dx plus b dx, this can give you y x to the power bya or b for the one. So x, that is the streamline, say passing through that 1 2. You may check the passing through the point 2 2. So here we got, that is the path line and a streamline, that is the same. What it means? Tell me. So see, that is the mention in the question itself,
Sir, flow is streamline.
and that is the steady state. So t is 0. You may check for the other time and compare it, the path line and a streamline. So this is your homework you may do for the 2 2 line passing through the 2 2. Let us come on the next problem. So let us compare someone, that is the path line problem. Just I am read path line problem. Yes. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
See, problem number 2.20, problem number 20. Consider the flow described by the velocity field V equal to the Bx1 plus At into I. This is the component U. Plus Cyj. This is the component of V. With constant A is given 0.5 and B is 1. Coordinates are in the meter SI unit. Plot the path line traced out by the particle that passes through the point 1 1 at the time, and compare with the streamline plot through the same point at the time instant 0, 1 and 2. So first you try yourself. What we discussed in the previous problem, exactly more or less that is the same. First you, that is the plot it, draw it. Then I will share the solution. So velocity field is given, constants are given, equations you have written. So similar pattern you can do it, that is the u is given bx into 1 plus 80, and for the path line, that is the traces, that is the velocity is also we can find out the dxy dt equal to the u, this is also equal to the bx into 1 plus 80. Integrate it with respect to the its own variable dxy x equal to the b into 1 plus 80 into dt. You may vary either 0 x0 to x or 0 to 2 or some constant you may take, that is the give. V is mentioned cy, that is the dy dt, and you can take it x and y. So you may know that is the x and y with some initial point may become, we will initiate from x0 y0 or from that is the some constant. Similarly, that is the you may find out the streamline dy dx equal to the vy u. Anybody have try or not try? Can I share the solution? Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So see, you should take a graph paper and plot the path line, a streamline. Then you can fill it, or on the computer, on the Excel sheet, you can plot it. Then you can fill it. Otherwise, no meaning. You just draw yourself by taking the Excel sheet or graph paper. Then you can fill it. Otherwise, you only just copy it. Is it correct? So for your filling, you may plot it yourself. Here, that is the integration is not, that is that it is a definite integral. In previous y the indefinite, that's why comes some constant c1 c2. Here it is the taken the definite, that is the starting point is the x0 y0, that is the maybe choose 0 coordinate, or you may come in the some constant, and in plotting you may take some value of the constant. Both that give, that is the approx, that is the more or less simple. So xy, that is the traces, that is the path line, and you may plot it with different value for giving the t, and you may take it, that is the x0 y0 0 0 1 1 starting point, and a streamline problem we have discussed. So a streamline, that is the dy dx, so that will come out ln y, so c1 x this, and this streamline passing through the one, so you may find out the constant, and x equal to the y to the power 1.05t, and when x t equal to 0, this will come out, that is the for different situations. When 2, it will, that is the x equal to the y, that is the parabolic equations. So these equations we have, that is the got it, and you have to plot it. without plotting, not filling. In the examination, roughly you should plot it. Roughly. So see, that is the here mentioned, that is the t equal to 0. It is a straight line. T equal to 2 second, x equal to y, that is the some parabolic, means some curve like that one, not like the straight line, and in that for t equal to 1. So that visualize in the your answer sheet. It is a straight line, it is a curve, not exactly that is the show in the curve like parabolic, but some differ from the line with the one t equal to 0, 1 and 2. So that's why I used to say you may practice in the Excel sheet. Then you can feel it. Let us, we can also feel that is the here streamline path line. One more, that is the also we can consider that you give the idea of the streak line. Let us take the examples of the. So here we have, I have shown some problem related to the path line, a streamline. So this is the nothing but that is the your x and y that gives the path. Then come on, that is the streak. A stream you might be seen. Then come on, that is the streak line. One more example we can take it. See, one more problem you may see how that is the plotted in the in the Excel sheet. Just I would like to show you how they have used that is the Excel sheet. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
See, please take care. The a velocity field is given by the v equal to the axti minus vyj, where a constants a and b are given. For the particle that passes through the point xy, that is the 1 1, at any instant, is the instant t equal to 0. Plot the path line during the interval from t equal to 0 to t equal to 3 seconds. In this interval, compare with the streamline plotted through the same point, means 1 1 at the instant 0 1. So as we have discussed, that is the path line, a streamline. So u is, that is the axt, this is the component of the u, and v equal to the minus by, and as you know, for that is the path traces, u is nothing but the dxy the dt, and v is nothing but the dy by dt, and apply that is the we are interested to the xy, so integrate it, that is the separating the variable, and that will take it here, that is the constant, and position, initial position x0 y0, it will come out x equal to x0 e to the power a y2 into t square plus y equal to this. Initial conditions is given here through the point 1 1 at t equal to 0. So please check. So initial conditions x0 y0 equal to the 1 1 when t equal to 0. We know that is the value equations for the path line or positions x and y. See, so this by substituting the value of that is the constant, x will become that is the e to power 0.05 t square y equal to the e to power minus t. After the giving the value of the coefficients a, b, initial, that is the passing or through the 1 1, so this will come out. This is the xy. This equation we got it at a streamline at t equal to 0, x equal to 1, at t equal to 1, y equal to the x to power 10, and at t equal to 2, x equal to minus 4. So see, all these relations we got it. Am I right? What we did here, equations, then path line, see, x, y, and t, that is the, this is your x and y and t related. So see, t is, that is the given some interval, it is the 0.25, x that is the chosen, that is the here value, relations is mentioned xy. So xy, so 0 time, initial time, it is the 1 1. 0.25, 1.7. So see, you may plot it, then a streamline t equal to 0, a streamline t equal to, that is the 1, here equations are mentioned, t equal to 2. And then you can plot it. This is your, that is the graph. So only you can fill it by plotting yourself. In the examination, approximately you can draw it, plot it, roughly, not exactly. Or you may draw the path line, a streamline, a straight line. Then just you can give the different line, dotted, point, continuous line, like that. No, because in your, that is the photograph or a scan copy, you are sending the examination copy, everything is black and white, no color. So I can't visualize the coloring. So it is better you should mark by the different notations. Either path line is, that is the circle point, the streamline for t equal to 0, maybe the solid line, t equal to 1, maybe the dotted line, t equal to 2, maybe triangle point. In this way you can plot it. So we can visualize or differentiate, but not use the color. Any should come in the offline examination, then we can feel it. Otherwise, no meaning for the color. So this thing you must take care, and not you try to waste your time to plot it exactly. Just roughly you can plot it. So we can see it, check it. That's all. Then come on, that is the streak line. We have not, that is the problem. This path line, a streamline we have discussed. Then come on, that is the a streak line example. Just wait. Just wait. I am searching, that is the example. Just wait, please. XI. A streamline. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
See, question is a flow is described by the velocity vector v equal to the axi plus bx ai, sorry, not xi, ai plus bxj, where a equal to the 2 meter per second, b equal to the 1 per second. Coordinates are measured in the meters means SI unit. Obtain the equation for the streamline passing through the points 2, 5 at time equal to 2 equal to 2 second. What are the coordinates of the particle that pass through the point, that is the 0, 4 at t equal to 0 at t equal to 3 seconds? What are the coordinates of the particle and pass through the point 1, comma 4.25 second earlier? What conclusions can you draw about the path line, a streamline, and a streak line for this flow? This is your question, am I right? So data are given. AI plus BXJ. Constants are given. Again, I am reading. Coordinates are measured in the meters. Obtain the equation for the streamline passing through the point 2 and 5. At t equal to 2 seconds, what are the coordinates of the particle that pass through the point 0, 4 at t equal to 0? And at t equal to 3 seconds, what are the coordinates of the particle that pass through the point 1 and 4.2 in 2 seconds earlier? What conclusion can you draw about the path line, a streamline, and a streak line? So first let us, you may try it. Then I will show the solutions. Just you think over that one, then I can give the solution. Just initiative. Maybe correct, maybe wrong, it doesn't matter. If anybody have completed, then tell me. Here I am sharing the solution. Let us see. So as we have discussed for the streamline dx by u equal to the dy by v or dy dx equal to the v by e. V, that is the velocity vector, is given. From velocity vector we can find out the component of the velocity along x-axis, along y-axis, and we can write that is the from that value x dx equal to the ayb dy. Integrate it, that will come out, that is the y equal to the b by 2x square plus c. And for the given, that is the coordinate system x and y is 2, you can find out the constant which we got from the integration c, that will come out is the 4. So a streamline passing through the 2 phi, we got the constant, so y equal to the x squared divided by 4 plus 4. This we got, that is the first part. A streamline which passes through the coordinate system 2 and 5. So you might receive the passing through the coordinate system that play the role for the constant of the integrations, or it may be given the initialization, then you may apply, that is the definite integral. Again, that is the for path line. So let us see here velocity along of the particle along x-axis dxy dt. That is already we got a from the given velocity vector. From here we can find out, that is the integration for the initialization of the coordinate system and time system x0 and t0. That's all. Similarly, the y is mentioned here, y minus y0 equal to the bx t minus t0 plus ayt t2 minus t2 square minus at. So you may, that is the reproduce and confirm it, is it correct or not correct. And initialization, that is the given what are the coordinates of the particle that pass through the point 0, 4 at time equal to 0. From here you may find out, that is the x equal to, that is the position is 4, this is the and for y equal to 8. Then for the particle, that is the again continue. So at t equal to 3 seconds, what are the coordinate of the particle that pass through the point 1 and 4.25 2 seconds earlier. So it is the mention, that is the time, then x and y in the previous equation they have substituted and got the point. All the points of the same streamline that is the shown you. Am I right? Then next, just just wait. First, I will load it. Is it visible? So see, problem,
Yes, sir.
problem number 2.35. A flow is described by the velocity field V equal to AYI plus BTJ. A, B mentioned T is 2 seconds. What are the coordinates of the particle that pass through the point 1, 2 at T equal to 0? At T equal to 3 seconds, what are the coordinates of the particle that pass through the 1, 2 at T equal to 2 seconds? Plot the path line, a streak line through the point 1, 2 and plot the streamline through the same point at the instant t equal to 0, 1, 2 like that. So up to the streamline path line, first you do yourself, then I will share the solution. First you do it. Just you should start. So u is given 2. So hello, you should solve the problem number 2.36. That data is available with us. Am I right? And that is the 2.35 is similar, but some differ the value. Is it correct? So don't worry. So 2.36, a flow is described by V equal to the ATI plus BJ. A is given, B is given, T. What are the coordinate of the particle at 2, 1 and T equal to 3 seconds? What are the coordinate of the particle 2, 1 at T? And plot the path line, a streak line through the 2, 1 and compare with the streamline. Yes, point instant 0, 1, 2. Yes, is it correct? 2.36. 2.36. Yes. So quickly just 2.36 question you have got it. Quickly just we will go through the solution. Just wait. So see that is the our velocity components are u and v is given, and we have to find out the path line for that is the given here. So you just check it. This is the your question. Question is that what we have discussed, that is the same. That's why we have opted this problem. So see, this is the particle u equal to the dxy dt, v equal to the dy dt, and u. So u component is here mentioned, that is the at, and V is B simply. So from here, this by choosing that is the starting time and coordinate that's may be given accordingly that, otherwise some constant will come, integration of that constant. So x equal to x0 plus 1 by 2a t2 minus t not equal to 0. Similarly, v is dy dt equal to the b, so y equal to the y0 plus bt minus t0. So x0, y0 of that is the coordinate of the particle at the time t2, that is the t0. So the path line E can be plotted for the particle passing through the point x0, y0 is nothing but the 2, 1. At that time t equal to 0, so that will give you the path line x equal to the 2 plus 0.2 t square, y equal to the 1 plus 2t. Constant a, b are mentioned in your question. At t equal to 2 second, particle at xy, that is the 2.85 meter, and the path line may be plotted by the varying velocity t is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to the 3 second. So see, this is the your path line. Then a streamline. So that is the your x equal to the 2, and this that will come out t equal to 2 second plotted, that is the xy 3 3. So that is the streak line. See, so the streak line that is obtained by locating and connecting at time interval, that is the 3 second, all particle that pass through the point x naught y naught initial to 1 at some, that is the earlier time t0. So x equal to the 2 plus 0.29 minus t0, and that is the y equal to the 1 plus 2 into 3 minus t naught. See, this is the very interesting here, that is the streak line. This is the your path line. Just say 2 plus 0.2 t square, here 2 plus 0.29 minus t0, that is the, and 1 plus 2 3 minus t naught. This is the your streak line. And so path line, so see here, the streak line is obtained while locating and connecting at the t, that is the mention here 3, all the particles that pass through the point x naught y is mentioned to 1 at the some earlier time t naught. So that will come the streak line in earlier, and whereas the path line come in the present time. And the streak line may be plotted by varying the t0 and t0, that is the here also written, that is the t vary and t0 supposed to be the same range, and this that is the streamline you might be know, and this is the your plot. See, just this is your streamline. T equal to 0, x equal to 2, t equal to 1, y equal to 5, x minus 9, t equal to 2. So this is all these, that is the say the bottom. So a streamline, that is the mention. Path line t equal to 0 is here, that is the given dotted line. Path line is the dotted line, and a streak line where both are merging. Am I right? And a streamlines t equal to 0, t equal to 1, t equal to 2. So see, this is the streak line. A streak line will come in the term of the that is the prior time means T naught, whereas that is the path line come in the present time, that is the T. So this is the some examples which I try to show you with the related to the streamline, path line, a streak line, and you should go and practice for about the streamline, a streak line, and path line, and always focus on differentiation between the path line and a streak line. More or less, that is the make confusion. So a streak line, that is the initialization time in form, and that is the come in the path line is the present time means T, and that is the T naught. So some that is the lagging, that is the we are considering, but the time range when we are plotting the graph, that will give, that is the same range of the solutions. It is the time at t 3 seconds, that is the mention in your question. Accordingly that you have to plot. So this is all about your the kinematics as I think, and we will start, or you may say that is this is the examples what we have discussed. You may practice or reproduce, and also take the solve or unsolve from the books and try to practice. But in the examination, don't waste your time in the plotting. Just you show that is roughly arbitrary indicates by the different notations. So this is all about from my side. Any query, then tell me.
Sir, can you send this PDF, solution PDF?
No, video solution is not that is the available for the all related chapters. Just that's why I'm told you can take the screenshot, which is the in SI unit.
Okay, sir.
So important problem I am showing, giving and showing the solutions. If you have not taken the screenshot, then also I can share with tomorrow. No problem. But it is the MK SI unit and FPS unit both. That's why that is the not sharing. Any more query? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.